Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can save your data, like your phone data. I know so many people who are having problem for using TikTok because of their phone data, because they can't see so many videos because of in certain point it just get over. So this I have a solution, and that I will show you in this video. So let's get started. First you have to go to the TikTok, and then you have to go to the profile. uh, Go to the profile, and here you can see three dots, and just go down, and here you can see data saver, and just turn it on, and it will reduce your data consumption. And when you will use your data, it will it will be in lower consumption. So that's it guys, that's how you can turn on your data saver mode. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel guys.